Tell them shut your mouth, you're not bad. But you can't stun me, nigga ever lost in the clash, you're mad. Try this, alright, you can go down for
I guess this is the bike we're gonna ride today.
Oh yeah, you check him up there and I'll ride it. Yeah.
Hey, so Danny boy! How you feeling, Kane?
scared.
So I'm gonna ride the bike now, so let's see what I can do. Let's go, boy!
You naughty.
Let's go!
So you are boss of the estate.
No, I'm not.
Yeah.
No, I'm not. You are the boss, man.
You are boss.
You are boss, man. Kane, the boss.
Do you want?
By the way, thank you, then.